y'all. Today, doing this unboxing, I would consider this image right here a smaller image. Some people wouldn't, but I would, considering the size of some of the DACs. So this is Lovers Stroll. Okay, I am still having to manually focus. So let me get this into focus. There we go. So Lovers Stroll is a square beads. It is a 40 by 32 centimeter. Now, let me tell you, I am still a little bit not thrilled with this one. I mean, I didn't bother to contact DAC. I just don't have the time. They know who ordered their diamond paintings at the full price right after they came out. And yeah, so I paid full price for this one, and then like not long after I got it, it was marked down. And mainly because a lot of people have complained about the pixelation. I took the cellophane off of it, but I have not opened it. It's just trying to save a little bit of time. So let's open this box up and see what we've got. Honestly, if it's supposed to be a watercolor, you're not supposed to look at it up close and personal, like inches from it. So I'm not worried too much about it being pixelated. I mean, it's supposed to be a stinking watercolor. So, all right. There we go. Okay. I did try to record this earlier. I still have not taken this out of the bag. What I did do was I checked the beads earlier before I saw that my my camera was having issues. So that's why you're going to see some things a little different. But yeah, I still have not looked at this because I want to look at this with y'all, so that you can get my honest reaction about whether or not it is pixelated. Regular toolkit, for those of you who are new to DAC, it has baggies. It has a clear tray. It has pieces of heart wax, because they love us. A scrunchie to go on the blue pen. Okay, so yeah, I'll throw that over. I did check the beads in the other video that I did attempt to make. This was, the born on date was March 15th. I got it 4 days after I ordered it. So let me get back into this and show you again what these colors are. Okay. Put that over there. It did come with the schematic strip, which I do like. And it has 38 colors. So yeah, let's look at these. I already have. Okay. Get up close and personal with them. There are some pretty colors in here, guys. You know, I mean, pretty pink, and a green, and another pink, and another green, and some more greens that are really, really close together. Some more pink. There's a pretty blue. This 3801 is kind of a reddish, and then a blue. Okay, so how did I have, yeah, trying to fold these back now. Okay, good enough. So your main colors that make up this one, there are two different kinds of white. This one's more of an off-white. This one's more of a shiny white. Then, yeah, 3371 with a little hitchhiker. 666, red, bright red. All right, there's a dark blue, there's another red, another dark blue, and another red. These are the main colors that will be in there. Now, some of the smaller colors in there. We've got some oranges. That's kind of more like a peach. And blue, purple. I love purple. Blue, that's kind of a dark crimson red. That's kind of an orangey color. Blue, oh, another purple. A darky kind of red. A pale pink. A blue. A really dark purple. That one's pretty. Bright yellow. That's like neon yellow. A softer blue. Purple. Lord have mercy. Another light blue. That's kind of like a dirty green. And that looks like hot pink. So, there are the colors. But yeah, I was taking it out and I was unrolling it. And since I had looked away from the canvas to unroll it, it was kind of like, oh, my camera's not doing too well. So, all right. And I'm all befuddled with this. Let me focus you in again. Like I said, I mean, I'm having to manually focus. So it just wants to go in and out when you put it on autofocus. So when I saw that the camera was not doing what I needed it to do, let me put this back in here. I completely just started re-rolling it back the other way, so I didn't look at it. I put it back. Yeah. But I had seen some unboxings, so I knew that the schematic was in there. I like to see other people's unboxings too. Alright, they went back in the bag nicely. Now, let's do this again. Okay, I am going to turn it away from me. I'm not going to look because I want to see it right when I show it to you. Don't look, Ethel! That song always comes to my head when I'm telling you that I don't look. What was it? Ray Stevens? Yeah, I think it was Ray Stevens. Let me move this. Okay. So let's see it together. Oh. Wow. Now, I know you have a glare, and no, it doesn't have wrinkles in it. That's just creases in the cover. I like this. I know that some people said they didn't. Yes, I'm a little salty about the price reduction right after I bought it brand new. But I like it. I mean, you know, if you are far away from this, the pixelation's not terrible. I like the fact that they kept the schematic over here a large size, and did not compromise the size to fit the picture and the details about it over here. That I appreciate. Of course, they are, now I have to, well, it is so much easier for me to like get you down here and then focus. I'll refocus because it's not blurry, I promise. It is not. There we go. See how nice and clear these symbols are? And this, ooh, that's going to be fun to do. Lots of fun. So let's try it. I mean, you can see how shimmery this canvas is. I love it. Definitely sticky. For those of you who are unfamiliar with the stickiness of DACs, I do not think it's a bad one. And I'm not one for landscapes. I'm not crazy about landscapes. I would rather do an animal any day of the week than to do a landscape. But I liked this one. I still like it. So it's pretty. And yes, the canvas is so, I mean, I just hold the canvas and just pet it. Just pet the back of it. I like the reflection of the tree. You have the people off in the misty kind of fog that's going on. I really like these colors in it because it's like a fall day in the park walking. So, yeah. This one will get worked up eventually at some point. I don't know that I'm in a hurry to do this one. And it's not that I don't like the canvas. It's not that I don't think it is pretty. It's just landscapes. I mean, it's lovely. It's lovely. I don't know. I hope you like it. I hope if you got it, you like it. Some people love landscapes. I haven't gotten into landscapes, but I got this one because it looks like a walk in the park. And at the time, I was dating somebody, and we used to walk in the park, which is probably why this one really won't be top on my list to do right now. Maybe I'll wait. I'll wait until I'm seeing somebody else that I can go walk in the park with. Then I can make those types of memories with that person. But right now, it's beautiful. God, these colors. I mean, these colors, I cannot, I love these colors. They're beautiful. So, all right. I mean, here it is. Here's what it looks like. And I hope this helps you make a decision on whether or not you want this one. Do not judge this like you're going to be standing right up at it. If I were to even pull you further away, I mean, as you can see, the further away you get from it, it does not look like it is that pixelated. You are not going to stand right up at it. So don't worry about people saying, oh, it's so pixelated. It's supposed to be a watercolor. And it's squares. So I don't know how on earth. Sorry, guys. Whew. People think that you are not going to have pixelation with square beads. But it is beautiful. It is gorgeous. And the further away you get from it, the less pixelated it looks. All right, guys. There is my opinion of Lovers Stroll. Yeah. It's pretty and I love the colors. But it's not memories I want to think about right now, which is probably dampening my excitement over it. God, these purples. Oh, these purples. All right. So there is my goodness gracious, honest opinion of this one. And I hope you have enjoyed it. And I hope that you might consider going to get it. So until next time when I do another unboxing. Bye, y'all.